Today I will make a sublimation 20-ounce tumbler. It's supposed to be full sublimation, but my printer can only print A4 size paper. So the lower and upper portion of the tumbler will still be white. First, let's print the design. I wanted to try this way back 2023 and bought one, but my press is small, so I was waiting if I can save some money to buy the 20-ounce press. But unfortunately, I only have few customers. So instead of waiting, why not try one? I am actually not sure with the temperature and time to press this type of tumbler. I saw some crafters using shrinkable plastic and oven, and their tumblers are amazing. This is my 6-in-1 press, attached with a small size mug heating pads. I will try to press this with 220 degrees for 90 seconds. Look at that, it's too hot. You can see the burnt paper. Let's reduce the temp to 190 for 70 seconds. The lower temp is much better, but still too hot. You will know if it's overpressed because it's so hard to peel. It's like the paper is sticking on the tumbler. I think the paint of the tumbler melted. The surface is not smooth. What do you think? Have you tried this type of tumbler with this 6-in-1 press? Let me know in the comment below. Well, this is a fail project. Maybe I'll just wait and buy the 20-ounce tumbler press. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video.